Today, I'm gonna be showing you some black boy magic. So today I'm gonna be showing you how I do my hair. Like a lot of you guys have been asking me, like, how do you get your hair like that? Well, today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Normally when I twist my hair or coil it or however you wanna call it, I let it get a little bit more dirty. I know that's kind of weird, but I like my hair to be a little bit more dirty so it like holds the product. The first thing you want to do is grab your spray bottle with water and you want to just wet your hair. So I don't like to like super wet my hair when I'm doing this, only because the coils just don't really stick. They just don't stay in place as good when it's like super wet. So I just like to get a little bit of water, and then that way I could just spray the areas that really need it. Right now my whole hair really needs it because it's really bad. Once that's done, you just kind of want to finger your hair or run your fingers through your hair. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is add a little tea tree oil. When you use this, you don't really need to use that much of it just because it is very oily. And it's skin and scalp treatment, so I use this to, it's supposed to help with dry, itchy scalp, vitamin E, it has aloe vera in it, and it is a fungus fighter. You can get this at Walmart. I believe it's like $1 or $2, a few bucks, can't be more than $2. I don't really need that much, a little bit goes a long way. And then I take my fingertips, and I get it all over my fingertips. Oh my gosh, I have cat hair on my hands. Work it in my hair. Work it. Okay. So we're working it in. And once you're done doing that, you're good, okay? Most of the time when I do my hair this way, I don't wash it out or comb it out at least for a few days. So I'll wear this for a few days because it's easy to touch it back up once you have it twisted. So the next thing I'm going to use is my Shea Moisture Style Milk, and as you can see, this bottle is pretty beat up. This is the bottle right here, bam. Even though this product works really good, it's been a struggle for me to get this stuff out of the bottles. I don't know if you can really see that, like if it's focusing or not, but this bottle, look at it, because it's a fight to get it out, which normally I like to use a lot of this stuff because, you know, if I put like a lot in right now, it'll make my hair, you know, good all day and it'll last long. Oh man, did y'all see that? It just exploded all on me. Great. All on my shirt and everything. Anyway, so you're gonna take this and then I like rub it all over my hand like that. And then just use my palms to work it in. So already, just from when the video started to now, my hair looks better, right? Because before it was a mess. All right, so here we go. We got that all worked in. Normally when you do this hairstyle, you would use a sponge. Like they have a sponge and it has like little holes in it. It's called a coil sponge, but I like to use my hairbrush. Okay, my hairbrush, for me, when I was using a sponge, it was tearing a lot of my hair out. And like, don't get me wrong, this kind of pulls some of your hair out too, but it doesn't break it off like the sponge would. The sponge would twist it so much, and then after a while, it'll just break your hair off. So I like to use the harder side just because it picks my hair up better. I've heard and known people to use the soft side as well. But we're gonna go in and use the hard side. You're just gonna take your brush, and I go in a counterclockwise motion, but it just all depends on which way your hair twists. So you're gonna just take it, and you're just gonna start twisting like this. And like, don't get discouraged if like your hair isn't twisting like you want it to, because you could just do another pass around over. Let me go ahead and finish twisting my hair up. My hair is blonde right now still, and as you can see, like I've had it blonde for a while. My roots are all like dark again, which is cute. It actually looks really cute like this. I could have skipped to this step instead of having to go through the ugly hair stage. So it just takes a little bit elbow grease to get it where we need it. And this girl that I coach, she thought it was funny to be like, oh my gosh, your hair looks like Top Ramen. But I'm like, girl, shut up. Like, Top Ramen wish it looked this good, okay? So, the last thing I like to do is just take my fingers and just rub them through my hair just to give me a little bit more, like, not so neat look. I kind of like it to be a little bit more, you know, natural looking. Like I didn't do anything to it and it just woke up like this. Let me know if there's any other questions you guys have about how I do this look. Let me know what kind of tutorials you would like to see, if you guys would like to see more tutorials. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment on this video, whatever you feel. But just don't leave me out. Don't leave your boy hanging. Just, you know, show me some love. Oh my God. Let me know what you guys want to see more of on my channel. And look out for the next video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.